What's good, ladies and gents? It's jacobcrypobury here. Thank you for checking out another video. Today we're going to look at Zilliqa, but I thought it'd be interesting to look at this project on the weekly time frame. We can see all the way from 2018 we've already revisited these particular levels at $0.23. And what's interesting, every time we get around that particular area, we always take a big correction. First instance, we had 93%, then we had an 83%, and just recently we had a 62% correction. So what's strange is, even though we did go to price discovery from the market cycle bottom right here, we actually never hit our 1.2 or 1.4 or even 1.618 Fibonacci targets on the extension side of thing, which should have been 0.37, 0.33, and 0.30. So it never actually happened. We just saw these big corrections instead. We can see the first impulse took a 0.786 correction. The next impulse took a 0.786 correction. So if we do actually bounce off this particular support, which we have just kind of lost at the moment, as you can see, we're putting through this red weekly candle here for Zilliqa, we might actually get a bit more continuation to the upside for Zilliqa as we continue to reverse in this falling wedge pattern right here. So we have, of course, lost a lot of support at this recent level. And what we're doing right now is on the daily time frame, we're retesting that bull market support band and the 200-day moving average, which is represented by this lovely ribbon here and the white line. So when we zoom back out to the weekly time frame, another thing to look at is every time we are pretty much sitting at $0.23, we are kind of overbought on the RSI each time. What's happened this time, we've corrected down to $0.084, and on the RSI we're sitting about 50 at the moment. So it doesn't look too terrible in the grand scheme of things. I think we can still see some nice upside for Zilliqa. Just thought I'd also announce to you guys that I'm actually doing a $100 giveaway right here on the channel, 100 BUSD. All you've got to do is follow these very easy rules. So make sure you head down to the description below, go to my Twitter and enter that competition. It's just a little way of saying thanks to the community and everyone who's watching the videos. So be sure to enter. 24th of May will be the prize draw for this particular instance. And yeah, so Zilliqa rank 80 at the moment, $1.2 billion market cap, $143 million on the trading volume side of things. I think really I'm bullish on Bitcoin, macro, hyper bullish long term. However, right now I do have some seeds of doubt because we are heading down to that 37.2k support level, and it could actually happen. So a bit of good news in the market right now. US crypto adoption remains high despite global inflation fears. New DApp radar report provides wide-ranging insights into the performance of the crypto and Web3 space throughout Q1 of 2022. So really good to see adoption-based news despite the amount of FUD in the market. We can also see Goldman Sachs offer first Bitcoin-backed loan as Wall Street embraces crypto. This is really tremendous news actually for the market. Goldman Sachs has offered its first Bitcoin-backed loan, showing further signs of increased interest in crypto from Wall Street institutions. So this is absolutely massive, something that maybe even banks will consider even taking over and actually integrating to their own legacy systems. Can't imagine it will happen, but to actually have cryptocurrency loans and things like that and using Bitcoin as collateral and things is really quite exciting. So flipping back to Zilliqa, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame and just have a look at what's going on. So far we're just stuck in this basically falling wedge, and I think eventually we are going to actually fall back in to an uptrend. So this is a downtrend at the moment. We're under the 20-day moving average. I do think we're going to get a bounce soon. We're heading towards the oversold territory on the RSI. As we can see, we're down to 23, so it could be a good area to start dollar cost averaging. Of course, it's very risky. Do have your stop losses set at break even if you are trying to do a long position over here. So you can see the continuation is real in this falling wedge, but it is typically a bullish pattern, and we should see a bit of reversal. It's a bullish reversal pattern, meaning if we do break through the resistance over here at 0.0873, we should pump back to the upside. Really bullish on Zilliqa as a whole. I think hold for a good 3 years. This particular project will reward you. So what's happened in the market? Really, we've seen a bit of capitulation. Bitcoin is down by 1.9%, Ethereum 4.3% on the weekly market cap. We're sitting at a $38.6k Bitcoin over $2.82k Ethereum at the moment. Mass greed in the market. Look at this, 23. Lots of fear, shall I say, not mass greed. So 23, fear and greed. But you look back in time, I mean, retrospectively, let's just do it right now whilst we're, on the charts. You look back in time, it doesn't actually look that bad. So This is the crypto total market capitalization. We're going to put it onto logarithmic. Actually, no, we'll take that off logarithmic. But what you can see is, we've got extreme fear, but we're sitting at a $1 trillion market capital, excluding Bitcoin. Whereas a year ago, we were sitting over here at a $600 billion market cap with extreme fear. So we've almost done a 2x in the total market capitalization with the same emotional threshold. So that's really, really good. That shows a lot of growth and strength for the cryptocurrency markets, guys. So make sure you do come back in to the Discord channel. Come visit, come say hi. We've got about 230 people in there at the moment. No strings attached. It's completely free. It's just a nice little community for you to, learn, engage, talk, and chat with other people that are generally interested in crypto. If you'd like to become a patron to the channel, you'll get some exclusive benefits which will enhance your crypto journey, such as trading signals, charts, as well as dollar cost averaging strategy, free ebook, and one-on-one messaging and support like that. So if you need this kind of hand-holding for your crypto journey, do consider becoming a patron. It's just a price of a coffee. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and I shall see you soon, guys. Take care.